Hello, I'm going to show you how to use credits on Cnfans. First of all, you need to earn or claim credits. You can receive credits through events, promotions, referrals, or top-up bonuses. Go to your credits wallet, log into your Cnfans account and navigate to My Account, then go to Wallet. Here you'll see your available credit balance. Add items to your cart, shop as usual on Cnfans, and add items to your shopping cart. Apply your credits and checkout. On the cart or checkout page, look for a section like Use Credits or Redeem Credits. Check the box or toggle to apply your desired amount. The total should update immediately to reflect the credit deduction. Review and confirm. Make sure the discount from credits is visible in the order summary. Complete your payment using your remaining balance or another payment method. Tips and common issues. Some items or orders may be ineligible for credit redemption. Check the checkout tooltips. The credits option might be temporarily unavailable during the site maintenance or specific holiday events. If your credits option isn't showing, try refreshing the page or waiting until after an event ends.